Buying gold online. Purchasing gold online is a convenient way to invest in precious metals, but it comes with risks such as fraud, counterfeit products, and high premiums. Understanding how to buy gold safely and efficiently will help you make a smart investment. 1. Choose the right type of gold to buy. Gold is available in different forms and each has its own benefits. Gold coins, popular for investment and collecting, e.g., American Gold Eagle, Canadian Maple Leaf. Gold bars, available in various weights, often with lower premiums than coins. Gold jewelry, not ideal for investment due to high markups and craftsmanship costs. Gold ETFs, exchange-traded funds, an option for investors who don't want physical gold. 2. Buy from reputable online dealers. To avoid scams and counterfeit products, only purchase from trusted sources. Look for well-known precious metals dealers. Check reviews and ratings from other buyers. Authorized dealers, those certified by government mints or professional organizations. Established online marketplaces. Verify seller authenticity before purchasing. Some well-known online gold dealers include major bullion retailers, national mints, and reputable marketplaces. 3. Verify pricing and premiums. Gold is sold based on the current market price plus a premium. Consider the following. Spot price, the current market value of gold per ounce. Dealer premium, covers minting, handling, and dealer profits. Shipping costs. Some dealers offer free shipping while others charge extra. Compare multiple sources to ensure you're getting a fair price. Check for secure payment options. Reputable gold dealers offer multiple payment methods. Bank transfers, often required for larger purchases. Credit debit cards may include processing fees. Cryptocurrency. Some dealers accept Bitcoin or other digital currencies. Cash on delivery, COD, rare but available in some cases. Be cautious of sellers that only accept wire transfers, as this could indicate a scam. 5. Ensure proper authentication and certification. Before purchasing, verify that the gold is genuine by checking mint marks, stamped authenticity from a recognized mint. Assay certificates, verifies purity and weight for gold bars. Certification from grading agencies. For coins, check PCGS or NGC certification. Avoid sellers who refuse to provide authentication details. 6. Understand tax implications. Depending on your location, you may be required to pay sales tax. Some regions impose tax on gold purchases. Capital gains tax. If you sell gold at a profit, you may owe taxes. Check local laws before making a purchase. 7. Choose secure shipping and delivery options. Gold should be shipped safely to avoid theft or loss. Look for insured shipping. Protects your investment against loss. Discreet packaging avoids drawing attention to the contents. Signature required delivery ensures the package reaches you securely. Track your shipment to ensure safe delivery. 8. Plan for storage and security. Once you receive your gold, decide how to store it securely. Home safe, fireproof and theft-resistant safes. Bank, safe deposit box, secure but with limited accessibility. Private vault storage, third-party storage with insurance options. Do not store gold in easily accessible locations without security measures. 9. Consider liquidity and selling options. When buying gold, think about how you will sell it in the future. Common selling methods include reputable gold dealers, online or local bullion dealers, online marketplaces, selling directly to buyers, coin shops and pawn shops, may offer lower prices but quick transactions. Having a selling plan ensures you can liquidate your investment when needed. Buying gold online is a safe and convenient option if done correctly. By choosing reputable dealers, verifying authenticity, and ensuring secure payment and delivery, you can make a smart investment. Proper storage and a resale plan will further enhance your gold buying strategy.